Yawn. Why are you yawning? Why are you yawning? He yawns every time he is bored. He yawns every time he is bored. Fart. Why don't his farts smell? Why don't his farts smell? My fart is so quiet. My fart is so quiet. Sneeze. When did you last sneeze? When did you last sneeze? You sneeze every time you have a cold. You sneeze every time you have a cold. Whistle. Who taught you to whistle? Who taught you to whistle? She will whistle. She will whistle. Gargle. I gargle every day. I gargle every day. I gargled. I gargled. Clap. You clap every time you are happy. You clap every time you are happy. When they stop, I give them a clap. When they stop, I give them a clap. Belch. Pardon me for belching. Pardon me for belching. He gave a loud belch. He gave a loud belch. Blow. Why did you blow the candle out? Why did you blow the candle out? She blew up the balloon. She blew up the balloon. Tap feet. When did you last tap your feet? When did you last tap your feet? I will tap my feet. I will tap my feet. Hiccup. What caused your hiccup? What caused your hiccup? I hiccuped last night. I hiccuped last night. Cough. How long have you been coughing? How long have you been coughing? I cough when I have a cold. I cough when I have a cold. Whisper. She is whispering. She is whispering. I whisper when I want to keep my voice down. I whisper when I want to keep my voice down. Snore. Who is snoring? Who is snoring? They snore when they sleep. They snore when they sleep. Sniff. The child sniffed his nose and started coughing. The child sniffed his nose and started coughing. The baby sniffed and cried. The baby sniffed and cried. Snap the fingers. She snaps her fingers when she's impatient. She snaps her fingers when she's impatient. I snap my fingers when I'm excited. I snap my fingers when I'm excited. Cracking the knuckles. How do you crack your knuckles? How do you crack your knuckles? I will crack my knuckles. I will crack my knuckles. Grind the teeth. They ground their teeth. They ground their teeth. She grinds her teeth when she's angry. She grinds her teeth when she's angry. Scream or shout. It screams when it's hurt. It screams when it's hurt. He shouts when he's angry. He shouts when he's angry. Laugh or giggle. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? They giggle when they're together. They giggle when they're together.